no break you in, then get us every day.
Copy my style. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real.
All right, let's go. What is up, guys? I've got Steve back here with me. I'm gonna try to build my energy up. I don't know what's going on with me right now, but I got Steve back here with me. Him and I are going to Cars and Coffee this morning, and we're gonna check that out, see how it looks, see how many cars are there, and what it looks like, and then go possibly to another meet that we haven't gone to before. Yeah, so I'll bring you guys along. I don't know where we're gonna end up today. It's supposed to be in the high 90s again, so we're not gonna be out super long when it starts getting really hot. Oh my god, he just did that by 2 cops. Anyway, like, my taste of what I like is changing with these bikes. Like, I wanted everything matte black with a little bit like carbon axe in it, but now I think I still want the carbon and stuff, but I want some kind of color. So let me know what you guys would like to see. Wow, I was like, why is everybody going so slow? But they're actually doing the speed limit. But we are too, you know? That's why I blurred that. It's good because this meet is like right up here, and then the other meet that we're gonna go to is like 9 minutes down the road. Oh, let's see how this meet goes, man. I'm excited. Let's roll through and see what's here. This is nice. I love all these cars out here, man. Oh, that's nice. I really like the white. Let's go over here and park. You see the Cybertrucks? Yeah, I've never seen one lifted before. Well, I think I'm gonna use my phone out there. I'm not gonna wear this. It's too hot. That's kind of sick. I'm not gonna lie. See, if I wrap my bike, that's probably the color I would do. Maybe a little lighter.
Yeah, that's this green.
This green. I know. That's crazy. Yeah, just for a second. All right. Hey, we'll get together soon. Yeah. Good? You good? All right. Let's go. Oh, it's hot. All right, we're going to, I don't know how much of the meat that I actually put in there, but we're going to, I'm not going to say the place, but we're going to the other meat that's supposed to be pretty good today, and then we're going home, dog. It's 10 o'clock. I am sweating like crazy. I've never been to this meet, so hopefully it's as good as everybody was telling me it was. I literally was telling the guys, I got like 10 messages last night about this meet, about how we should go to this meet instead of the Cars and Coffee meet. So yeah, they actually have vendors out here. Hey, let's see what's here. Yeah, this is sweet. Look at these. Wow. Yeah, we'll have to come over here and check these out. That's sweet. Alright, we'll go park over here. Alright, I'm gonna get this music going. We're gonna go get something to drink and then hoon up and down the highway for a little bit, get some wind, and then go home. Dude, it is so hot. I don't know how my little brother works outside every single day, all day. Like, I don't know how he does it. I really don't. It's got a nice little breeze in here. Nice little breeze. We'll record as long as his battery will last. I haven't changed the battery all morning, so this is the second day that I've forgotten to change the battery, but you know, these batteries last forever in the DJI, so all right, let's go. Supposedly there's a lot of cops out, so we're gonna take it easy. I'm not trying to catch a ticket today. It's too hot for all that. I'm gonna cut it off here. Obviously I will keep recording and put stuff in if it makes sense, but if not, man, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Dude, there's no better looking bike than the S1000. You can come at me if you want, but see you, buddy. Oh, I got the light too. That's awesome. Look at this thing, man. Man, it looks good. It's hotter than hell.